Here I have Infinix Smart 6 HD, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the date and time. So firstly, if you want to set up date and time manually, you have to disable network provide and time feature. Here you can change date, here you can change time. You can also change time zone here after disabling automatic time zone, and you can change hour format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And you can also use lock screen dual clock with like one clock from your current time zone and another one from your home time zone. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.